Okay, so I'm going to try to clean these up. I know they don't look too bad, but there is some dirt deep down in the mesh out there along the sides. Obviously the stuff on the sole, midsole is pretty easy to clean. It's the material that's a little bit tougher. Pretty straightforward though. I think there was some soda or something that got spilled on one of them. I don't remember. I'm going to do the Reshoevn8r 3-brush sneaker laundry system. Soles are getting kind of beat up, but if I can keep the uppers looking good, that's all I'm looking for. Okay, so let's do some, let's get this show started. First thing we need to do is, I've already taken the shoelaces out, but insert the Reshoevn8r adjustable shoe trees. I've already put these to size. Keep mine to size because I go through enough washing that it's more convenient to keep them already straightened out. But I just cleaned the wife's shoes and had to adjust hers. I need some water. The Reshoevn8r Advanced Sneaker Solution. Just a couple of squirts, as Vic likes to say. I start with the soft bristle brush. The soft bristle brush creates the most lather, so it's the best to give them the first once over. You don't need to push too hard. Let the brush do the work. That's why we have 3 different brushes. And since I'm washing 2 shoes, a pair of shoes, I'm going to do them basically both simultaneously so that way the water doesn't get crazy dirty from doing the midsole and outsole, and then I try to do the uppers on the other shoes. So work our way through again. My left shoe this time with the soft bristle brush. I wore these for like a week, so about 3 times golfing, and they got that dirty. But this is what I do to keep all my golf shoes looking new. Doesn't matter if they're leather or mesh or FootJoy or Adidas or Nike or Puma or Jordan, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to move on to the all-purpose brush. I've already checked the durability on this upper. I've washed these multiple times. It's fine. It won't fray this material, but before you try it on any mesh, just if you were going to try it on some new mesh, just go in one direction on a corner and see that it doesn't catch or fray on the material. And if it doesn't, then you're good to go to town. I try to go in a circular motion with the all-purpose brush to really get deep down into the material. Sometimes this back heel tab gets kind of dingy. Oh, get that. It's pretty good. Back to the other shoe. This is my first video too, guys, so sorry about the crudeness of the video and bad lighting and horrible audio. But enough of my friends have asked me if the Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry system really works, so I'm going to show you guys firsthand that it's the best stuff on the market. There's nothing better. Okay. That's done. Now I'm going to move on to the stiff bristle brush just to do the outsoles because I don't want all that crap to be in my washing machine. So I'm going to try to clean these up as much as possible. And I already took, when they were dry, I took them outside and dug out all the stuff around the spikes with a T and a wire brush. So this is just a remnant stuff that's in there. And watch out, you'll get this stuff all over you. So wear a shirt that you don't mind if it gets dirty. That's why I wore black. On to the other one. Generally, I try to wash, just hit the bottoms real fast with some water just to try to wash out any of that loose dirt. And if you saw down the drain, there is some dirt that did get washed off. And if you want, grab that all-purpose brush one more time and just lather them up again for the washing machine. Last step is the laces. Dump them in the solution. And just rub them together between your hands. Stick them down inside one of the shoes. Put the shoes sole to sole. Very important, sole to sole. You do this, those spikes will drag on the other spikes and get kind of interlocked together. They won't slide around. You won't damage the shoe. If you put them Like this, you're gonna be pissed off when you see that you've hung your shoes up on the spikes and they're all messed up. So I've got a little grime on the side of the midsole. I'm gonna try to hit it real lightly with the sole brush. Okay. Got your resealable sneaker laundry bag. Stuff them in like so. Cinch it down, lock it in place. I throw a little slip knot in there just in case it wants to open up on me in the washing machine. I haven't had it happen, but I don't want it to happen. And then since these are some golf spikes and I definitely want them to sit, I'm going to tighten this side strap down as well. Hard to do when your hands are all slick from the soap. Throw a slip knot in that as well. And now these are ready for the washing machine. So all we do, doesn't matter if you have front load washer, a top load washer. Personally, I have a front load washer and I wish I would have got a top load washer simply because it's a heck of a lot more noisy when you do it this way and the shoes are in there tumbling. So because of that, I throw a couple of towels in the washing machine just to help with the shock absorption. And these are clean towels, I've already washed them, but it really muffles the noise a lot better when you do that. So for those people that have the front load washers, that's just a little trick. And then all I do is you got to make sure to wash it on cold water. So as you can see, I have it on a light cycle. It's a low spin speed, so it doesn't just beat me to death as far as the sound goes. Then you take the Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry detergent, squeeze it till you see an ounce. I pour that in the washing machine. Trying to do this with one hand is probably not the smartest thing, but and then start it up. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in 30 minutes and show you the results before they dry. Okay, so 30 minutes later, here we are. Just pulled these straight out of the washer. Some grass still over there, but check out the deep clean. Even the threads are white again. So they will look even better once they're totally dry, but this stuff is legit, guys. Okay guys, so that's going to wrap it up. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. I'll throw a link in the description below to Reshoevn8r's page so you can check out their site. Their videos are great. They got a lot of tutorials on cleaning and restorations and customizing. They also offer all kinds of discount codes periodically, so sign up for their newsletter and watch it, and I'm sure they'll throw a 10% or 20% discount to you at some point in the near future. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to put these things away down their home down here, and I'll see you guys next time.